Design with Emma. Let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision. You got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and
Good afternoon, design family. Today's video is, should I or should I not keep this bed for my grandson's bedroom? Now, if you all remembered a while back, I told you I picked up this beautiful bed at the Value City sale. Now, this bed is beautiful. And I only paid maybe $115 for it. The bed actually retailed for $995. Now that I've gotten it up, I'm wondering if my grandson will like it, since it is a cloth bed. So I thought I would let you all take a look at it and you all tell me what you think. Now, don't get me wrong, it is a beautiful bed. I'll take you in, let you get a little closer look at the fabric, and then it has the beautiful wood finish on the top of it. But Willie was thinking it may not be for a boy's room, but I'm thinking it looks fine with all of the other furniture he has in here, and we can go in and make some changes to the other furniture if we need to. So let me take you in and show you what I have here. I have not finished. I'm just starting. I don't want to finish until I decide whether I'm going to keep this bed or not. I know I will keep the dresser here. And I have the two jerseys here on the wall, the Chicago Bulls. We will keep that. And the Kentucky jersey, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a molding around it. I have not gotten to it, but it will have a molding around it that will look like a picture frame. He also has his little love seat here. And of course, on his floor, I have the UK area rug. He also has all of the UK balls that his uncle had given him, the basketballs that when his uncle passed away, he did receive those basketballs, and a few of those I signed. Okay? So, I did get this comforter from Ross's, and it was by Nautica. I think it was beautiful. It had the matching sheets, which were great because, as you can see, they have this beige color in them with the blue and white. So I thought that matched perfectly. And here on the pillow shams, on the bottom side, they have that dark tan, and on the top, they are blue. So it matched to me perfectly. And we have the large Kentucky sign, and then I have thrown this brown beige looking throw on here, but I'm thinking what I'll do, I'll go back and maybe get a dark blue one, but at the time I did not see one, and this matched the best. So I want you all to take a good look at this bed and tell me, should should I not give it away or something with it? I really like it here. I think my grandson will like it too. It is a nice queen size bed. He had a full size in here, and this one here is a queen. As I said, I have a few more touches that I'm gonna do here to the room. What I was trying to decide was, do I not keep the bed? You all, please let me know down in the comments what you think. I personally like the bed in here, but that's my opinion. I did bring in the pillows to match the bed if these are pillow covers, and as you can see, they do match that comforter and also that bed. And this bed has the beautiful footboard and sideboards to go with it. So it was a terrific buy. So you all, leave me a comment. This is Friends with Super Channel. I want to thank Geo for inviting me to be a part of Friends with Super Channels. I will be leaving her information in my description box. You all make sure you stay around and check out all of the Friends with Super Channels. I want to thank the Design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.